So, guck mal, jetzt sind wir hier bei Rit Dye und die färben ganz krasse Materialien. Zum Beispiel, zeig mal deinen Knopf.
Danke sagen.
Ja, sag mal danke. She wants to say thank you. Ja, thank you. Weil dieser hier, der war nämlich mal weiß. Guckt euch das mal an. So, it's hot, right? You have to do it in hot.
Because it's plastic.
Yeah, okay.
So this is done with our dye more for synthetics, for polyester, acrylic acetate. Polyester is essentially plastics.
Yes.
So it needs to be hot to penetrate, but you can see it dyes pretty quickly. It's already colored.
Yeah.
But if I want to make it even a little darker, I put it in a little bit longer.
How is it later when you wash, when you put it on some clothes and you wash it? It
Nothing.
stays,
Stays.
and it doesn't like.
Especially plastic, never comes out. You see the skate wheels? up
Yeah, yeah,
there?
yeah. I see it.
So
Ja, gleich.
we have a funny story about the skate wheel. So I'm just dipping it in water. I just dip in a little bit of water, and then we wipe it off. Just with the cloth, and that's not going to come out. It goes into the plastic. So the skate wheels up there, we had them last year at a different show, and as we were setting up the stand, one of the stand builders said,
Guck mal, in
"I just
lila.
made that one. You can feel it's little warm."
Wow.
When we were making it, the stand builder said, "Well, that doesn't, that's just floating on the surface like paint."
Yeah.
And we said, "No, it penetrates. Dye penetrates."
Yeah.
And they said, "How far?" And I said, "Actually, I don't know for sure."
Yeah.
And they cut the wheel, and it went all the way through.
No way.
Yes.
How
So
can
I
that
I
happen?
wouldn't have known because we know it penetrates,
Yeah.
but I didn't know if it was going to go all the way through
Yeah.
a skate wheel.
Wow.
So, yeah. So
So what is in it that makes it do that?
well, we're non-toxic, safe for sewer septic systems. So we're not using like the chemicals that they use to do garments because this
Yeah.
is, very toxic.
Yeah.
So
And I can color everything from cotton to polyester to everything.
Yes.
Different
yeah,
things I have to use.
This one is for cotton, linen, ramie, rayon, silk, wool, but wood, paper, cork, concrete, sand.
All natural
all
things.
these things, and it's kind of nice because there are singular fiber dyes where you only dyeing acid, you're only dyeing one item.
Yeah.
One dye for silk, one for wool. You just buy this, everything.
Cool.
And the other difference
And you
about
have to heat it up as well.
this one, yes, this one doesn't have to be done stovetop, just hot tap water.
Mm-hmm.
If you
60 degrees.
60 degrees.
He has all the information.
He has information, and then
Yeah.
this is the set. But the neat thing about this, we have our iPad. The neat thing about
Ja. Ja.
this is just water. So the neat thing about this is we have 40 colors, but and 16 of this. But on our website, we have the formula to create over 1,000 shades. We have the recipes.
Wow.
So you can get exactly the color that you want.
So we can order, so end customers can order it directly from your page, right? Or from Amazon or something?
We have some distributors. If
Yes.
you Google, depends what country, we have a
Germany.
We have a Netherlands distributor, we have someone in Poland, we have someone in Norway. Not every country, which is why we're here.
So wow.
And it's in 18 languages.
Yes.
Our website.
Gleich, guck mal hier dieses.
Yes, give her some
Ein
stickers.
Sticker.
So you can stock on a color.
I knew that was gonna happen.
What happened? What happened?
It was the one color.
Too dark. You gotta do
I went to-
always a dark one. Yeah. So it defaults on jeans.
Oh, this is Dutch.
Oh yeah, we had a Dutch customer that we were
Yeah.
doing it for. So you put it in. Did it go in German? What's that? So then you say, I'm only going to do.
Cool.
I'm only going to do socks. So you click socks, and then it changes the recipe.
Great, so you always know how to dose it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. To get that color, and it is also in metric, but it's we're having a little technical problem. Which we're getting
We'll-
fixed.
yeah.
But we're getting fixed. But yeah, if people Google it in their own country,
Yeah.
they will find we do have some distribution now in
Yeah.
shops, and then usually it's available online. But we're here because we're having requests all the time. Where
Yeah.
can we find your dye
Yeah.
throughout Europe and the world?
Yeah.
So we're gaining distributors.
And you have to put something else in the water or only...
No, this is just this.
It's so easy.
With this, right? Only the all-purpose. We never put salt, right? But I mean, you don't have to because I usually never do salt.
Yeah.
But you can add some salt. to
Okay,
this.
if
And
you
it
want
just
to.
helps with kind of enhances the color, right? And promotes kind of level dye. But
Yeah, cool. How cool. So let me have a look around here. It's super easy. So where your company is located
we
in?
are, in the U.S., our manufacturing facility is in Indianapolis, and our home office is outside of Chicago. But we have been made in the U.S. for 106 years.
Wow.
So we're a very well-established brand,
Yeah.
and maintain being non-toxic and safe for the sewer and septic system. So we're proud of it.
You can be, of course. How cool. Und? Findest du gut? Huh? Das ist Farbe, die man färben kann. So you can put it in the washing machine as well, or you always have to put it in a...
You can use the washing machine.
Yeah.
Historically, that's like how our dye has been used. I would say lately, washing machines have become so automated and efficient,
Yeah.
so you can't control the process as much. So sometimes that leads what? Not enough water, right? Sometimes
Yeah.
not enough water for the amount of dye.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
if you can, we recommend doing hand dyeing
Yeah.
in a bucket or in your sink,
Yeah.
something like that.
I see. Okay. Thank you so much for your both time. I think it's a wonderful product and I hope that our people can find it easily online, but I think you just have to Google RIT and then it's there,
Yes.
right?
I mean, in Germany, there's we have one distributor,
Yeah.
Patin A, Patin-A, and he sells on his site, but he sells to a lot of theater companies, universities, and those type of, for cosplay and whatnot.
Yeah, cool. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Safe trip home. I hope
Yes.
you reach your flight.
Yes.
And
Thank
then
you so much.
have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.